When your construction or ag equipment is down, you're losing money. You want to be back on the job as soon as possible, and we can help. Here at Highway and Heavy Parts, not only can we get you the parts you need quickly, oftentimes we have the same parts as the OEM. We source our parts from the same manufacturers the OEMs use whenever possible, meaning we're keeping up with the technology the OEM uses, and you're getting the best parts for your engine. With some aftermarket companies, you don't know what you're going to be getting when the part comes out of the box. But since we use the same manufacturers with the same technology, you'll know you'll be getting parts that work for your engine. It's important to know if a part's going to work in your engine before you order to avoid unnecessary returns and downtime. Our team of experts can help make sure that you get the exact parts you need to get a job done right. When you request a quote from Highway and Heavy Parts, our certified technicians will always ask you for your engine serial number and your engine model code. Having this information will ensure you're getting the exact parts you need. The engine serial number can be found on a plate on your engine, usually on the side of the block. The side tends to vary depending on engine model. Having just your engine model alone isn't always enough to make sure the parts you order will work for your application. That's because there can be some variation from engine to engine. That's why you also need to know your engine model code. This can be found on the same plate on your engine block, but it's shorter than the engine serial number. Here at Highway and Heavy Parts, we've expanded our offerings of parts for John Deere engines. We carry parts for many popular John Deere engine models, including the 3029, 4045, 6068, 6081, and the 6090.
For more information, contact one of our ASC certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on Facebook and YouTube to stay up to date on all news from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.